The DeWalt Fast Wireless Charging Pad is a Qi-certified charger that offers fast charging speeds of up to 10 watts. It is compatible with any Qi-compatible device and comes with a quick charge power adapter and a reinforced Kevlar USB-C power-in cable. The charging pad features a non-slip base and includes foreign object detection for added safety. While it may be a bit pricey, it is a reliable option for those seeking fast wireless charging. However, it is less portable compared to some other wireless charging pads. The DeWalt Job Site Pro wireless earphones are designed for durability and reliability, making them an ideal choice for construction workers and professionals. With a flexible neckband and water-resistant construction to IPX6 standards, they can handle sweat and moisture on the job site. The earphones offer a long battery life, providing up to 15 hours of talk and playtime on a single charge. They are a convenient and reliable audio solution for those in demanding work environments. The DeWalt 25-inch step stool tool is a versatile and durable tool that serves as a toolbox, step stool, or elevated tote. Made of durable aluminum with non-slip feet, it ensures stability and safety. With an 18-inch height and 300-pound weight capacity, it is suitable for various tasks. The 12.5-gallon toolbox includes a removable tray for easy organization. It is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and professionals. The DeWalt Fiberglass extension ladder is a lightweight and durable ladder with a 300-pound load capacity. It features an advanced rung lock system for secure extension and has non-marring, slip-resistant components. The ladder is non-conductive and meets safety standards set by ANSI, CSA, and OSHA. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for transportation. With its sturdy construction and safety features, it is a reliable choice for various applications. The DeWalt DXF RS300 walkie-talkies offer a long range and are waterproof and dustproof. They are shock-resistant and can withstand a 2-meter drop. With features such as 22 preset channels, battery-saving technology, and VOX operation, they are suitable for various applications. The walkie-talkies also include an LED flashlight for added convenience. The DeWalt 5-port front and back seat mobile USB PD charger is a powerful and versatile charger that can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It has a total output power of 72 watts, and the front seat charger features a PD-compatible USB-C port and a quick charge 3.0 port. The back seat charger has 3 USB-A ports. The charger comes with a durable 6-foot braided cable and is compact and lightweight for portability. It allows you to keep all your devices charged while on the go. The DeWalt 4-amp 12-volt waterproof battery charger is versatile and reliable. It is compatible with AGM, GEL, and WET 12-volt batteries. With a fully automatic charging system and built-in circuit protection, it ensures safe and efficient charging. The charger is waterproof and dustproof for durability, available online and at major retailers for around $1.40. The DeWalt Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit is an 8-volt cordless screwdriver with a gyroscopic sensor for precise control. It features a variable speed trigger and a reversing switch. The kit includes 2 1.5 ampere-hours batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. It is suitable for light-duty tasks like furniture assembly and repairs. Pros include precision control, variable speed, and compact size. Cons include lower power compared to some models and average battery life. Overall, it's a good choice for homeowners and DIYers for light-duty tasks. The DeWalt FLEXTORQ modular right-angle system is a versatile tool for tight spaces. Its 4-in-1 design allows for quick switching between different angles and shafts. The impact-ready system is built to last with a metal gear case. It also includes a rare earth magnet for easy one-handed use. DeWalt stud finders with center find technology accurately locate stud centers for precise mounting in wood and metal walls. They feature 3/4 of an inch detection depth, AC and live wire detection for safety, and constant auto-calibration for accurate readings. The center marking channel simplifies marking, while the battery-powered, lightweight, and compact design ensures portability. These stud finders also have audible alerts and directional LED arrows for clear stud detection, ideal for quick and accurate stud locating. The DeWalt Neverblock 2-port Worksite USB charger is a compact and versatile charger designed for demanding environments. It features angled USB ports to avoid blocking adjacent outlets and smart technology for optimized charging. The charger is compact, lightweight, and has foldable prongs for portability. With its rugged construction, it can withstand harsh conditions. It is compatible with all USB-powered devices. Available for purchase at various retailers, the DeWalt Neverblock 2-port Worksite USB charger is priced at $19.99. The DeWalt Job Site Wi-Fi system provides reliable wireless coverage throughout construction sites using a mesh network of access points. It is easy to set up and use without requiring IT expertise. The system is durable with IP67 rated access points that are dust-proof, water-resistant, and drop-resistant. There are no recurring charges, making it a cost-effective solution. The system improves productivity, enhances safety, and reduces costs associated with cellular data usage. The DeWalt DWPW2100 pressure washer is a compact and lightweight electric pressure washer with 2100 psi and 1.2 GPM. It features a durable frame and a self-contained design that is 3x smaller than other models. It comes with 4 nozzles, including a turbo nozzle and an integrated soap tank. Weighing only 24 pounds, it is easy to transport and store. Despite not having the longest hose or highest power, it offers powerful cleaning performance and comes with a 3-year warranty. The DeWalt 3-piece wall mount cantilever wood and lumber storage rack offers customizable storage for long materials. With durable steel arms and a secure design, it keeps wood and lumber organized. The industrial-grade powder coating ensures long-lasting use, ideal for workshops and garages. And the DeWalt 4-port mobile USB PD charger delivers up to 60 watts of power to 4 devices simultaneously. It has Quick Charge 3.0 and USB-A ports along with an 18 watts USB-C port. This charger is compatible with various devices and features a compact and durable design, perfect for charging on the go. The DeWalt FlexVolt 60-volt max cordless pipe threader is a versatile tool for threading various pipes. Powered by a FlexVolt battery, it offers long runtime and high performance. The tool features a brushless motor, an e-clutch system, and an oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery for protection. It includes a pipe clamp with a depth gauge and a die arm for easy thread starting. The DeWalt Vent Mount phone holder magnetic offers a strong and stable hold with 4 N50 neodymium magnets. It includes 2 metal plates for compatibility and features a stainless steel ball joint construction for 360-degree rotation. The compact design seamlessly fits in your car, and its durable construction withstands harsh environments. However, it can be difficult to remove from the air vent, and the metal plates may add bulk to your phone case. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable option for hands-free phone viewing. The DeWalt T-Stack Job Site Clipboard is a versatile tool with an integrated 180 degrees LED light for visibility in low-light conditions. Its T-Stack compatible design allows for easy storage and transport, and it features a soft interior organizer pouch for storing documents and small items. The durable construction with rubber corner bumpers provides protection. While the LED light may not be very bright and the clipboard is a bit bulky, it is still a valuable tool for professionals and stationery enthusiasts. The DeWalt 18-volt Tool Connect LED Area Light DCL074 is a cordless LED area light that offers a maximum brightness of 5,000 lumens with a 360-degree beam. It has 3 brightness settings and a built-in roll cage for durability. The light can be controlled wirelessly using the DeWalt Tool Connect app and has a long runtime of up to 10 hours on high. While it is powerful and versatile, it can be expensive and requires 18V batteries. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.